Hey guys, Dave here from Affinity Vibe YouTube channel. Now this is the video series on pro level color grading in Affinity Photo. In this video I will show you classic faded color grading effect. Plus you can download this free classic faded color grading effect as alert that I have created in this video. Link in video description and password in this video. So please watch this video till the end and unlock this free alert file and use it in your project. Before start this video, be sure to subscribe and please hit that bell notification for getting update whenever I upload a new video. And you can follow me on my Instagram account where I upload my new artwork on regular basis. Alright, as always, select your image. Go to adjustment, selective color. Here select color rates. Make cyan minus 50%. Yellow plus 50%. Keep rest as the same 0%. Select color yellow. Magenta plus 50%. Black plus 50%. And keep rest as the same 0%. Select color whites. Cyan minus 10%. Yellow plus 10% and keep rest as 0. Select neutrals. Cyan minus 10%. Yellow plus 10%. Keep rest as same 0. Select blacks. Cyan minus 10%. Keep rest as 0. Go to adjustment, HSL. Select yellow. Reduce saturation minus 70%. Luminosity shift plus 50%. Now select green. Reduce saturation minus 70%. Select cyan. Reduce saturation minus 70%. Select blue. Reduce saturation minus 70%. Again adjustment, color balance. Select tonal range, shadows. Make cyan red 5%. Yellow blue minus 5%. Go to highlights. Make cyan red plus 5%. Yellow blue minus 10%. Go to curves, master, and follow the step like this. Now select blue and follow the step like this. Now make this effect as LUT. Go to top left menu, File, Export LUT, give a title, and save it as a cube file. And that's it. This is my final output. Now go to adjustment, scroll down, LUT, click on this gear icon, import the effect and apply it. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to click the like button, sharing this video, subscribing this Affinity Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Affinity Photo effect tutorials. Also, share your valuable comment on this video. You can connect me on my Instagram account, link in video description, and also you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching. I'm Dav from Affinity Vibe YouTube channel, and I will see you on the next video soon. Till then, keep practicing, cause practice makes us perfect, and have fun with Affinity Photo.